Hi guys, here on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Wild Jacks. Wild Jacks is a simple card game with points that is very similar to 101. So if you're able to play 101, it's it's easy. It's very easy for you to understand Crazy Jacks. The game is using a regular deck 52 cards without jokers from 6 to aces. The priority of cards is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Queen, King, Ace, Jack. The, the, the amount of players is 2 or more, and the objective is forcing your opponents to get at least 100 points. Deal. Each player is getting 7 cards, with 1 card at a time. And then the highest card of the remaining deck is flipped face up, then placed onto the center with the remaining deck, creating a discard pile. After after making it, the deal ends and the gameplay begins. The leftmost player sitting near the dealer is the first player putting a card. Players players must put a card of the same value or suit. If they are not having those cards, they must get cards from the remaining deck until getting the correct card. Card. And correct correct card. Uh, Sorry for repeating that. So and also jacks in this game are wild, which means that uh, their owners can put them on any card, and after doing it, they must choose one of 4 suits. The next player must put the card in the chosen suit. So basically, like queens in 101. And also, if the highest card of the remaining deck during the deal after each player getting 7 cards is a jack, then dealer puts hides that jack in the remaining deck, and um then reveals a different card. So yeah. So the round goes. Each round goes until someone getting rid of all of their cards. That player is the winner and gets 0 points, while each opponent of that player gets points for each card left. So tell us about gameplay now to point counting. The value of cards and points. Um, Number cards, choose threes, fours, fives, sixes, sevens, eights, nines, and tens are face value. For example, choose 2 points, fours, 4 points, and etc. The jacks, queens, and kings are 10 points, and aces are 15 points, which means that twos are giving the lowest amount of points, while aces are giving the highest amount. So yeah, and so after after each player getting points, the the round ends and the new one and the next one begins. The game goes until only one player without 100 points is left. That player is the winner. That player wins the game, while each opponent of that player loses the game. I hope. I told you everything about this game. I hope you now know how to play Wild Jacks. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.